Are you looking for the best tile saw for Contractor in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best tile saw for Contractor that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the DEWALT wet tile saw. If you are a one-man army and like to get things done all by yourself, then this DEWALT wet tile saw is just for you. One can easily transport and set up this tile saw. In order to ensure accurate cuts, it has an integrated stainless rail system into the tile saw frame. It also has both side and rear water attachment mechanisms, which can be very handy while dealing with large tiles, as those help to keep the water in the pan. The complementary stand which comes with the saw can easily hold the tile saw. It makes the job of space management pretty easy. The stainless steel rails and aluminum framing of the saw are a great fit for difficult job site surroundings. This saw is great for working with kitchens, bathrooms, dealing with stones and porcelain. The motor of the saw can lock and tilt up to 22.5 or 45 degrees, which can ensure smoother and clean cuts without requiring any extra accessory. It also has a ripping capacity 24 inches. Most importantly, cleaning of the tile saw is also super easy because of its removable cutting cart. This saw has double water nozzles which can be adjusted on demand, resulting in minimized mist and overspray. Up next in the 4th place is the IKTS 24410 dry cut tile saw. If you want to cut tiles, ceramics, stones, porcelain and marble without a wet tile saw and also want a dust-free experience, then this IKTS 24410 dry cut tile saw is just for you. Dealing with a dry tile saw is much more efficient. It can also give you a cleaner experience, not to mention the time and money it saves on waste removal and cleanup. One of the things that make this tile saw special is that it can be used in sensitive and small spaces. Moreover, you can measure, then cut and set up the whole project without any unnecessary walking. Its superior vacuum system can deal with up to 99.5% of dust. Whenever you start the saw, the vacuum starts itself. It has a 3-stage filter system. Saw comes with a Q-drive blade which has specialized cool cutting technology, meaning the blades of the saw can be touched. No wandering or wrapping, and most importantly, get as precise cut as the wet saws. The 3rd product on our list is the MK Diamond 169612 new MK10124 1-1 divided by 2 HP 10-inch wet cutting tile saw. This tile saw is designed to cut porcelain, marble and tiles like a cheesecake without any disturbance and malfunction. It has a superior water distribution system which can supply water on both sides of the blade easily. The saw has a thermally protected and a fully enclosed high torque and a fan-cooled motor. In order to ensure easy cutting of different size tiles, it has a cutting head and multi-position motor post. You can also cut different types of materials in this tile saw. If you want to use blades which are smaller than 10 inches in diameter, that is also possible because of the changeable height cutting heads. This saw also comes with a blade shaft lock which comes very handy when it comes to the case of blade removal. Second on our list is the QEP22400Q3 5th HP Torque Master Tile Saw. This tile saw is a beast which can easily deal with different types of materials such as stone tile, slate, marble and ceramics. In order to ensure that the tile saw stays corrosion and rust-free, the saw is made out of plastics. This also makes it very lightweight. As a contractor, you may have to move tools from one place to another, and this tile saw is the perfect fit for that. It is easily transportable. If you are looking for 45 degrees and 22.5 degrees miter cuts, then this saw is also suitable for that, as it has a hinged cutting table which is adjustable. In order to make precise cuts, it has a diamond blade, so you never have to worry about precision. For the superior levels of cutting performance, the saw has a 3/5 HP high torque geared motor. The saw has a double extension table which can ensure 5 inches extra cutting surface. Last but not least, for ensuring a drier work environment and adequate water supply, it has water recirculation systems. It will surely save a lot of time as well. Finally, the top product on our list is the SKIL 3540-027-inch wet tile saw. If you are looking for a wet tile saw that is suitable for your pocket and also gives great services, then SKIL 3540-027-inch wet tile saw has been specifically designed for you. This saw comes with a blade wrenches, blade guard and a 7 inches diamond blade. For ensuring a corrosion-free experience, this tile saw comes with a stainless steel tabletop. So, even after multiple uses, the saw stays corrosion-free. This saw also comes with an adjustable rip fence with miter gauge, which means it will allow you to get precise and accurate miter cuts. It also has a water reservoir which will stop the blade from overheating. At the same time, you can expect to get less dust and debris. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now, I hope. to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.